To send ACH payments in QuickBooks Desktop 2025, you will need to set up your company file for ACH payments and obtain the necessary banking information. First, go to the Edit menu and select Preferences. Then click on Check and select the Company Preferences tab. In this tab, select the Use ACH option to enable ACH payments. Next, go to the Banking menu and select Online Banking. Then click on Set up Account for Online Services. You will need to enter your bank account information and agree to the terms and conditions. After setting up your bank account, you can add vendor bank information by going to the Vendor Center and selecting the vendor you want to pay. Click on the Edit Vendor button and select the Payment Settings tab. Then enter the vendor's bank account information. To send an ACH payment, go to the Banking menu and select Write Checks. Then select the account you want to use and the vendor you want to pay. Enter the payment amount and select the payment method as ACH. You can also add a memo to the payment for your records. After reviewing the payment information, click on the Save and Close button to save the payment. To send the ACH payment to the bank, go to the Banking menu and select Online Banking. Then click on Send Items, select the payment you just created and click on the Send button to send the payment to the bank. The bank will then process the payment and deduct the funds from your account. It is essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment, and that the vendor's bank account information is accurate to avoid any payment errors. Additionally, you can track the status of your ACH payments by going to the Banking menu and selecting Online Banking, then clicking on the Online Activities tab. This will show you the status of your payments, including any payments that are pending or have been rejected. By following these steps, you can easily send ACH payments in QuickBooks Desktop 2025 and streamline your payment process. This will save you time and reduce the risk of payment errors, allowing you to focus on running your business.